All right, so this video covers the first page of the Probability Test 1 review. Looking at number 1, the direction says to represent the sample space in set notation, which simply means to write out all of the combinations, all the possibilities. So number 1, we have 2 rooms in a house need to be painted. Each room can be painted white, yellow, or pink. So we have one combination would be room 1 painted white. Then you have room 1 painted yellow. You have room 1 painted pink. You have room 2 painted white, room 2 painted yellow, room 2 painted pink. So that's a total of 6 combinations there. All right, number 2. There are 2 girls and a boy on a trivia team. 2 questions remain. One team member is randomly picked to answer the first question, and a different member is picked to answer the second question. All right, so one possible outcome would be girl 1 answers the first question and girl 2 answers the second question. Another option is girl 1 answers the first question and the boy answers the second question. Another option is girl 1 answers the first, girl 2 answers the first, and girl 1 answers the second. Or we could have girl 2 answering the first question and the boy answering the second question. Or we could have the boy answering the first question and girl 1 answering the second one. Or we could have the boy answering the first question and girl 2 answering the second question. So that is a total of 6 options there. Number 3, directions say to find the number of possible outcomes in the sample space. So we do not have to list them, but just find the number. So for number 3, a spinner can land on either red, blue, green, yellow, purple, or orange. So that's 6 options there, 6 different colors. And you flip a coin. We know a coin has 2 sides, heads, tails. And then you spin the spinner. So you have the coin would give you 2 options, that's heads or tails. And then spinning the spinner gives you 6 different colors. So you multiply 2 times 6 to get 12. And number 4, a coffee shop offers small, medium, and large sizes. Customers can choose between French roast and Italian roast. So since there are 3 sizes and there are 2 flavors, you have 3 times 2, which gives you a total of 6 options. For number 5, this is strictly a calculator question. And so I won't explain how to do it on the calculator, but you should know how to do the NCR on the calculator. So 16C6, put that in your calculator and you'll get 8,008. Likewise, for number 6, it's another calculator question. You will use the NPR function, and you'd do 7P6, and you'll get 5,040. Again, numbers 5 and 6 are just calculator questions. You need to ask someone if you do not know how to put those in the calculator. All right, number 7, it says state if each scenario involves a permutation or a combination, and then find the number of possibilities. All right, so for number 7, it says there are 20 applicants for 2 jobs. We have a computer programmer and we have a software tester. Well, that is a permutation because you have 2 different job titles. And so even if you choose 2 people, those 2 people could go in like person 1 could be a programmer, person 2 could be the tester, or you could have person 2 be the programmer and person 1 be the tester. So the same 2 people could be ordered differently. So because the order matters, it's a permutation. So we're going to do NPR, and that's 20 because there's 20 applicants and 2 of them are chosen. So that's 20P2. Do that on the calculator and you get 380. All right, number 8, student body of 105 students wants to elect 2 representatives. All right, this is going to be a combination because when you elect those 2 representatives, the order doesn't matter because the representatives, both representatives will have the same role, nothing specialized, so the order does not matter. So it's a combination. So that's NCR 105, because 105 students, and you're choosing 2 of them. So that's 105 C2. Put that in your calculator, and you get 5,460.